Next topic, agricultural policy in India. Agriculture policy in India. The new economic policy based on export of agricultural goods. The new agricultural policy. The government introduced the new agricultural policy. The based on export of agricultural goods, mainly for export of the agricultural goods, was announced by central government in 2018. So, the agricultural goods was announced by central government in 2018. This policy, the state government decided to remove the export. So, the state government has decided to remove the export restriction. So the new agricultural policy based on the export of agricultural goods announced by the central government. The new agricultural policy announced by the central government in 2018, but the state government has decided to remove the export restrictions on most of the organic and processed agricultural product that decided by the government for raising the agriculture productions. Agriculture policy of the country mostly designed by the government. So agriculture policy designated is the government, the central government, by raising the agricultural productions, raising the agricultural production and productivity, and also for raising for the level of income. So the designated by the government for the rising agricultural production, the increasing of the agricultural productions and the productivity, and also for rising level of income, and also living standard of people. So rising of living standard, வாழ்க்கைத்தரம் உயர்தல், the standard of living of the farmer with a definite time frame, So the government agriculture policy of India, one is raising value added of the hectares, second one is raising value added for hectares, raising the productivity of input, third one is protecting the interest in poor farmer, modernizing agriculture sectors, environmental regulations, removing the bureaucratic obstacles. First one is for the raising the productivity of input. One of the important objective of Indian agriculture policy is improve the productivity. Mainly, one of the main objectives, the agriculture policy agriculture policy is to improve the productivity, remove the restrictions, remove the problems, and improve the agriculture productivity. So, one of the important objectives of Indian agriculture policy is to improve the productivity of input of the purchased by the high yielding varieties of the seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, irrigations, and the irrigation project. Mainly to improve these high yielding varieties of the seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, irrigations project. Second one is raising value added per hectares. Agriculture policy is to increase for hectares, increasing for hectare, value added by raising the productivity of agriculture in a general and the productivity in small and marginal holding in particular. Mainly the focus on small and marginal farmers. Here its agriculture policy is to increase for hectare value added by raising the productivity of agriculture. The increasing the productivity in agriculture in general. In the productivity mainly focus on the small and marginal farmer holding of the particulars. Next one is the protecting the interest of the poor farmer. So protecting means the sale. The agriculture policy is proposed to protect the interest of the mainly for the protect of the interest of the poor and marginal farmer of the holding of intermediaries, abolishing the intermediary. The abolition of the protecting the interest of poor farmer. Protecting means the sale. Agriculture policy is to propose to protect the interest of poor and marginal farmer by abolishing the intermediaries through the land reforms, mainly through the land reforms, expanding the institutional credit support to the poor farmer. So first one is increasing the productions, the product of output, the rising of the product, high yielding of the varieties of the seeds, improve the irrigation project, pesticides. The second one is for the rising value added of the per hectares. The rising value added for mainly for by raising the productivity of agriculture in general, the productivity of the small and marginal holder in particular. Third one is protecting the interest of the poor, small and marginal farmer. So small and marginal farmers is abolish the intermediary through the land reforms, expanding the institutional credit support for the poor farmer. Fourth one is modernizing agriculture sectors, modern technology. So modern technology. Here the policy support include the introductions of the modern technology. So the Indian government introduced a lot of modern technology in Indian agriculture operations, and operations of improve the agriculture input like a high yield varieties of the seeds and fertilizers. Next one is environmental degradations. Next one, environmental degradations. Agriculture policy of India has set another objectives to check the environmental degradations of natural base of the Indian agriculture. Mainly, agriculture policy of India set the another object to check the environmental degradation. Mainly, the focus on environmental degradation of the agriculture based on the Indian agriculture. Sixth one, removing bureaucratic obstacles. The policy has set another objective to remove the bureaucratic obstacles on the farmers. Easier தடைகள், remove of the hindrance, remove of the problems. The cooperatives, the society and the self-help, the institutions so that they can be work there independently. So mainly for the self-help institutions so that they can work there independently. There are 6 major categories. One is removing the productivity of input, raising value added hectare per hectare, protecting the interest of poor farmers, modernizing agriculture sectors, environmental degradations, removing the bureaucratic obstacles. The 6 is very important. The last one is for the policy has set the another objective to remove the bureaucratic obstacles on the farmer. The cooperative society and self-help, cooperative society and self-help institutions so that they can work there independently. So that these 2 years they working in 2 independently. Thank you.